Hello, welcome. It's your boy JRE. We're about to check out, as you see in the title down below, V slow dancing. As you see in the background, I got my 3 Tays. There's Taemin, Taehyung, and then right there Taeyang. I really need to get a cardboard cutout of Taeyang. I think it's long overdue. And if you guys are wondering, my TOP, little TOP, is in Hawaii resting with my parents, to be honest. But everybody, welcome Taemin. My new cardboard cutout was gifted by a viewer. Appreciate you. So do you. Actually, that Tae is actually gifted as well by him too. You're just gonna have a army of idols, cardboard cutout idols, huh? Who's next? What's another Taeyong? Taehyun? Taeyeon? A lot of Taes. It's my Tae corner. Slow dancing. Now we already checked out the last 2 that he released. Like, I feel like everything he's been coming out with, like, in general, is exactly what I wanted. It's like very R&B, jazzy. It's exactly what I wanted. I don't know if this is what you expected, but this is what I expected, and it's even more. It keeps on surprising me because it is Mr. V himself. Whew. Let me quench my thirst before I get into this, because he is my bias of BTS, of course. Definitely top. I feel like he's my top 3 ultimate bias. I'm not gonna lie. No, I don't have a top 3 really. That's how I feel. I don't have a specific top 3 of ultimate bias. But anyway, it's enough talking. Let's check out V slow dancing official MV, shall we? In 3, 2, 1. Play my intro. The time is now. Let's check out V slow dancing. Captions on? Okay, we got English captions. Is it full English? I wonder. We're already in the water. We're already. Oh, what the f? He was there the whole time? Oh man, I didn't even realize that was his his chest area. Look at the little jewelry right here. Hold up. Oh, aquatics? Whoa, okay. There's jellyfish there too. Oh, hold up. Can I replay that? Well, hold up. Oh, damn. This is a beautiful sight. Where is this? First of all, jellyfishes. And no invite? I would love to swim with jellyfishes. No, I don't. That's scary. Ooh. Actually, I think I have before. This looks like a whole car commercial right there. Hey yo, I think one of your friends in the background is disguised as a human, but he's a goat because the way he ate flowers. I'm joking. Why is he so cute like this? God damn, give me a minute if it ain't too late. I'll give you more than minutes, my boy. I'll give you my guy. I'll give you more than minutes. I'll give you days. I'll give you years. Lifetime. Eat that, yeah. Ooh, a little crown. Yes. Aww. Oh, this is cute. It's like a road trip. Ah, that van is all chromed out. There's like subtle editing in here too, like that right there. Is that like? It's so fun. What? Who has a briefcase full of bananas and fruit and watermelon? What in the healthy? I need to hang out with y'all because I need to start eating like that. His voice is always so nice to me. Yeah, stop teasing him. Oh, whoa. What is that, a snail? Oh, he's discovering. He's in with radio signals? Antennas? Ooh, what a beautiful shot music video. Just a lifestyle kind of feel with a little like story for sure. This might mean something. I don't know. I have trust issues with hype, but especially with y'all know what I'm talking about. But the song itself just is so fitting. It literally makes me want to just like, it's like a good way to end the night and also start your morning type of vibes. His music right here. Oh, he romancing. True, we could be romancing the night away, but you play it. Ooh. Television. Hey. Oh, these like VHS. Ooh, what? The flute? Is that a piccolo or flute? Ooh, and he going in. Hey, V, what you doing then? Hey, V, inventing shit. It looks like, damn, them arms. I'm sorry. Hey. Why does it feel like me and Hedgen would just start dancing out of nowhere like this? And we're sober. Keyword sober, and we're dancing like this. This looks so nice. Oh, the instrumental part is so fire. I love when artists do this. They let the instrumental breathe. It's such a nice feel. Oh, this is fire. On a pirate ship? Ooh. So many instruments in there. Oh, he's passed out. Oh. Ah! Ah! That's so adorable. And that's the cover of the album. Wait. I was gonna say, like, it's so nice to see, like, him make, or whoever's decision it was, I'm pretty sure V was a part of it, to make the instrumental breathe while he's just vibing. Another person that did that I love that did that was DPR Ian, if you guys know who that is. If you haven't, go check him out. Oh, imagine DPR Ian in a V collab. That would be weird. That would be something. But I love this right here. The scenes, everything. With just the instrumental and them just freestyling, vibing out, interpretive dance, just feeling the music. Just feels like a good day. It kind of makes me want to just join. And there's someone like, look at all the people. There's someone like videoing in the background. And he's just like vibing out. And that's such a good feeling. Just not even just like, if in general, as in the music field, just like, when you see your artist just vibing out to the song that you like too, oof, it's always a good time. I mean, they made it. They better like it, I feel. Or I hope they like it. This reminds me of like, they're like pirates? What is this? Wait, hold up. Sorry, the instrumental's crazy, bro. I might have to cop this. I don't even know why I haven't copped it yet. And by that I mean I need to get this album, and you should too. Ooh. What are those things? There's an instrument I can't put my finger on, like the name. Aww. V, you killed that shit. Per usual. You already know. And I don't know if you guys know this, but like we've seen a lot of like the solo stuff from the BTS members, and you just seeing how different they are music wise or choices they make is quite interesting to me. It's always been interesting in a group, like the different type of colors they represent, kind of feel. You know what I'm saying? Like their aura, and I don't know. I feel like I could just like pour a glass of wine and drink to this, you know. The whole song feels so relaxing. It's very grown to me. I feel like it's like it feels appropriate for like my age, you know what I'm saying? like I'm in my 30s, right? Like, oh my god, that's crazy to think about. Like I've been doing this for so long that I'm like, yeah. But when you think about it, I don't know. It might fit the youth too. You know, I don't know. When oh my god, the fact that I'm saying youth, I'm young too. What am I talking about? To be honest, I think like each music video really does like captivate the viewers, including myself. And I feel like as people that are been waiting for like V to do solos, this is exactly, or at least a solo album, this is exactly what we wanted. I don't know, that's just my opinion. Obviously you have your opinions. Please leave it in the comments down below. What do you guys think of V's solos? Ooh, who hit me up? Oh, my dad. He knows I'm reacting to V. Give it up for him. Everybody, give it up to him. Look at him. Bro, he's killing that ish. He's doing his thing. I'm very proud of him, too. Whoa. Whoa. Let's go. The area they were in that when they filmed it too was quite beautiful, like really beautiful. Anyways, put the comments down below what you guys think. Guys, go get your merch. We got Peach Please merch. If you haven't already gotten it, link in the description. You can buy it at Core Limited. It is a collab with Core Limited. It's called Peach Please. We also got shirts as well in case you don't like hats. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work into it. It might just come true. And I'll see you guys to the next video. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on Jrekml. I'm there every day.